And may God bless all the Filipinos around the world, bringing these images everywhere. Now, also like the Bahrain, the cathedral. So, Filipino leader give me chance to say yes or no, to bring the statue. I don't know what to do now. I cannot leave the Macedonian outside the cathedral, no? Because now it's inside the cathedral, we have a fine also a place for him. But now I'm sure they will bring something in one day, so I have no chance also to host him. Anyway, it is a blessing to follow the tradition. Don't keep only the statue, but keep the meaning and the meaning of what he represents, and keep also the deep faith and love for Jesus, because with him we receive blessing, healing. I know our life is not easy. In Philippines is not easy. Here is not easy. Everywhere we have trouble, but with the faith in Jesus, we can face all these troubles and we can also succeed in our life. Let us enjoy this day of celebration. Today we continue with all these family feasts, the family days, so enjoy to be one in the Catholic Church.